Yeah.
Okay, today I'm going to review our 2207 motors. There are 4 models in total, 2 in red to 100 kV and 1950 kV, and 2 in green purple to 100 kV and 1950 kV. First, let's look at the packaging design. The outer packaging features a highly textile texture. The first thing you'll notice is the motor model logo printed in Chinese as Li Kayang and in English as SkyRend, which implies tearing through the sky. In the top right corner is our brand logo, DolphinRC. Now, turning to the back, there's also a large English logo of SkyRend, with the texture continuing the textile design from the front. Below that, we've printed QR codes for our social media accounts. The one on the left is for our Douyin TikTok account, and the one on the right is for our Instagram account. Additionally, there's an environmental protection label and our official website URL printed here. When we open the packaging, we can see that the edges are wrapped in shock-absorbing foam for protection. Taking out the screw pack and the motor, we find that the motor is vacuum sealed. Opening the screw pack, inside there are 4 M38mm motor base fixing screws coated with thread locker, along with bottom washers and bearing rubber rings. Next, let's take a look at the motor. The SkyRend logo is printed on one side, and the motor size logo 2207 is on the other side. The kV value of the motor is printed on the side of the base. You can see this one is a 2100 kV motor. Here's what the numbers mean. 22 indicates that the motor's stator length is 22 millimeters, and 07 means the motor's height is 7 millimeters. The motor wires are 150 millimeters long, made of 20 Ag silicone wire that can withstand high temperatures up to 200 C. The motor weighs 33.9 grams. Now, let's look at the base. The base also comes in the corresponding color of the motor, with a thickness of approximately 3.5 mm. It's not only good looking but also sturdy. The motor uses a titanium shaft with a hollow bearing design, which makes it lighter while being unbreakable. This green-purple model features a clever color combination that catches the eye, and at the same time, it can unleash powerful performance. There's also another model in a more dynamic red color, which combines brutalist aesthetics. The internal coils adopt a silver-plated process, resulting in extremely low electrical resistivity, excellent corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, and effective temperature rise control. The motor uses a split design with smaller and more optimized magnetic pole gaps, which greatly improves motor efficiency. The concave convex slot design secures the propeller more firmly. Now, let's install the motor onto the drone. Alright, this is how it looks when installed. I think it's very nice. The bright and vibrant red color reflects its ferocious character. Now, let's head outdoors to test this beast. Great, we're outdoors now. For this test, I'm using the red 2207 motor with 1950 kV. The frame is our 5-inch test frame. The propellers are Qinfeng 51377, and the battery is a whining 6 seconds lithium battery with 1800 mAh capacity and 130 C discharge rate. Okay, let's take off and start the test. The takeoff feels really powerful. The entire drone gives me a sense of lightness, agility, and aggressiveness. I believe this is thanks to the motor's silver-plated enameled wires and the smaller, more optimized magnetic pole gaps, which significantly enhance the motor's efficiency. The flying feel is very smooth and responsive. Alright, now let's try a few simple maneuvers. The power response is very timely and quick. You can immediately feel that this is a restless beast. Every maneuver receives instant feedback, which gives me the confidence to fly with ease. Currently, this motor is priced at 139 RMB in our Taobao store. We welcome everyone to support us. For a more intuitive understanding of the motor's performance, I'll share its parameters here for your reference. Now, let's fast forward to the end. Alright, we've finished the flight. The overall feeling after flying with this set of motors is great, powerful, agile, responsive, and easy to control. These are my main impressions of this motor. We also hope to receive more support from all of you.